Hello, so today I'm going to analyze the graph of COVID for this particular dataset. So the dataset that I obtained and I used for this is COVID-19 outcome by vaccine status historical. This is the description of the dataset in which I am plotting on Power BI. So as you can see, this plot gives sum of population vaccinated by age group. So from this graph we can see that out of total population 50.19 population got vaccinated. And we can see the orange diagram represents the age group between 30 to 49. So here it is in the 16.87 percentage of the people between the age group 30 to 49 were vaccinated. As we can similarly we can see here from the age group 18 to 29, 11.64 percentage of the population were vaccinated. The purple color represents the age group between 50 to 64. Here the total percentage is 8.81, of which they are vaccinated. Similarly here 4.19% of age group 12 to 17 is vaccinated. Similarly in the red color we can see the sum of population vaccinated for the age group 65 to 79, which is 4.11 percentage. Similarly here from the age group 5 to 9 the total number of people vaccinated was 3.08, which is considerably less. And similarly for the age group 80 plus, only 1% of the people were vaccinated. So as you can see that the older people were vaccinated was very less. The older people were vaccinated very less. So this first plot gives the pie chart of some of population vaccinated by age group. Similarly we move on to our next plot, which is a line chart. This gives the sum of vaccinated rate by year, and here we have outcome as cases, deaths and hospitalization. As you can see from the plot here, in 2021 the vaccinated the death rate of vaccinated people were quite less. In 2022 it was like deaths were 1467, and in 2023 we can see the deaths toll downfalls to 185. And similarly in the hospitalization we can see 9191 hospitalization for vaccinated people. And also there is a high spike in the cases even though they are vaccinated. As you can see the cases is 88,000 in the year 2020, which goes down to 16,299 in the year 2023. So this basically represents the rate and the total number of outcomes in cases, death and hospitalization based on vaccination rate. And we have our next plot, and the final plot is a bar plot. Here it represents the sum of outcome vaccinated, sum of outcome boosted and sum of outcome unvaccinated. So the blue line represents the sum of outcome unvaccinated, and this represents boosted, and the orange represents vaccinated. So in outcomes cases we can see even though here we can show the total unvaccinated cases is 42 is 40 is 4 is 4. Yeah, as you can see the total number of unvaccinated case and total number of boosted case, as you can see the number from the graph. And similarly we can see the sum of total outcome vaccinated 322,864. Similarly we can see for hospitalization the total number of unvaccinated, boosted and vaccinated number in hospitalization as well. And in death we can see the death is the value or the number for death is quite low. As we can see the death is 692 for the boosted vaccination. So these three graphs represents the the visualization from this this data obtained from data.gov. So I think this visualization basically sums up the use of vaccination and gives the data about vaccinated, unvaccinated between various age groups and for the different populations. So this is the project I did for my Power BI visualization project. Thank you.